Hello, this is Tabby with Local Marketing Co. I believe you spoke on the phone with my partner Cody earlier. We just kind of want to give you a quick little screencast, little website audit of what we see as your online presence and how it compares to your competitors in the area. So looking at your site, the first thing is the sliding of the pictures is super nice. It's appealing to people. It's very bright and clean looking. But when you scroll down, one thing that is interesting is this header is pretty large, and so it makes this text area and this area feel squished. And also the content on the page, there's not a lot of content, and Google loves content on their home page. Now when I pull up your website on my mobile phone, which obviously I can't really show you here, it does show more content, and after I did some digging around, it actually shows the about content on the home page on your mobile phone. So I'm not sure why it's different on the mobile phone and on the desktop, but that is something that is a little interesting, and I maybe look at getting checked out, is making sure your content and everything is the same on both your desktop and the mobile phone. But getting more content on your homepage is definitely going to help get you ranked higher compared to your competitors, because like I said, Google loves content, and if you're putting keywords in that content that people are searching for, it's going to help bring traffic to your site. So looking at your stats, you guys do have a lot of backlinks, which is good, and 99% of them are giving you power to your site. So you guys are doing really good there. But if I look here, I can see that we are not ranking for any keywords. So organically, we're not getting any traffic into our site from keywords because we're not ranking for any. When I go to one of your competitors, I can see that their website is pretty bland compared to yours. So you guys are a little more appealing to the eye than them, and they're not doing much with their stats, but they are getting some keywords ranked for them. I actually only see one granite countertops Bremerton wall, but there are 10 people searching for that a month. They're only on the first page for that, but that is a keyword you guys can grab and put on there since you are serving the Kitsap County area. And then another site is Creative Countertops. Their site looks a little outdated, but it is a competitor of yours for one of the services that you offer, just because it is in the Poolsville area. So looking at their stats, again, they do have a lot of backlinks, but none of them are really giving power to the site. So you guys are succeeding in there. But if you see, they are ranking for a lot of keywords, and they are getting a lot of traffic per month from those keywords. And let's see what they're ranking for. So a lot of them are their business name, but you can throw some things into your site from theirs that will give you power back to your site. So like Poolsville Kitchen Store, I mean 10 people search for it a month, so it wouldn't hurt to get that on your site somewhere. And there's just a bunch of words that we can look through and go off of and start ranking for. So one thing I did look up was countertops in Kitsap County or tiling Kitsap. So those are different things that we can rank for. Going to your services, I would actually make out a page for each of these services and give more information. Maybe not each of them, it might be much, but combining some of these together that go with each other and giving more content in that in order to start ranking for those. And then what I did see with portfolio is I wouldn't make this a drop down. I'd probably combine a lot of those into one, or at least be able to scroll through this, because I can't scroll through this. And if I were to move this up, then now I'm missing out on some of that portfolio. So that's just another little thing that we could possibly get fixed. So overall, you guys have a really good setup for your website. There's just a few tweaks that I would recommend doing and adding that content to kind of boost you guys higher in the search engines and get more clients in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and reach out if you have any questions.